really done two waves of product development that are live in production at the moment. And the first wave was very much taking these new models and taking a set of products that were easy to build with these new models. So we have support agents who can answer questions all day, every day. We took models that were going to make them faster and more efficient, but that still had a human in the loop. They're relatively easy to deploy. So we sort of built those, shipped those live, that worked well. And then we've built a second generation where it's like without a human in the loop. It's just the AI bot answering questions. And that's a much harder bar to clear, but we've managed to build a good product there as well that's generally available at the moment. And so I think you're going to see companies kind of play in these various spaces. There's some things that are easy to build quite quickly. You see those ship fast. Probably every business that has a text box is going to have auto completion for that text box very soon. And then there'll be a generation 2 that follows where it's like, hey, I'm rethinking some core value that my business provides from the ground up, with AI, and building something amazing there. So I think you're going to see both modes of innovation.